I know my head, it's really weird. April Fool's update, check out my other video. But I'm doing something. Do you guys think I should change all my cosmetics to what this guy has? So it would be this, without that, no badge, no face, no arms, no paw, well, arms, this. Do you guys think I should change it to this? Same as, well, no, I'll have to have this guy on as well to show. Like this. Do you guys think I should change it to this? Might be kind of cool. Bye.